Hello and welcome to this MBL webinar. Today looking at cybersecurity for accountants, looking particularly at the emerging threats and defences. My name is Dr. Stephen Hill. I'd really like to start by looking at the notion of what motivates someone to commit a criminal activity. And particularly in the areas of cyber, we are seeing many possibilities today that would motivate an individual to commit an act. And it's typically about motivation, plus weak controls, that's your internal and external controls, would invariably lead to a cyber attack. And this is the motivation behind most cyber attacks. It isn't just today about disruption. It is looking at acquiring your data, which has become the most valuable currency today to a cyber criminal. And therefore, effective data risk management is no longer optional. It's a necessity. It's essential to mitigate the severe financial, reputational, and operational consequences of data theft and data breaches. And some of those motivations we can see on the screen, be it financial gain, be it recognition, achievement. It could be politically motivated, state actors, corporate espionage, or a insider attack. So I thought it's really important to start off with this because it really sets the theme when we're looking at, well, what motivates someone to commit a cyber attack on an organization. And we're going to look more closely shortly in why this sector, why accountants, why the accountancy sector. Well, the reason why accountants are prime targets, and that's whether you're an accountant in industry or an accountant in practice. You're at the intersection of money, which obviously is a huge reward for cyber criminals. There's sensitive data, and there's that trust element. And these are highly attractive to cyber criminals. And therefore, you're unique in terms of your vulnerability in many ways because you have direct access to sensitive financial data. So if you are in industry or if you are in practice, you're going to have access to bank details. Of course, your own bank details of the organization, but of course, there could be bank details for other third parties as well. There's obviously the payroll. There's invoices, both going to you and coming to you. There's tax records. There's client confidential data and information that you handle on a day-to-day basis. And this is money that criminals want to get their hands on because they can quickly monetize this data.